What's going on, guys? This is me Mehdi Shakil and you are watching SSTec tutorial. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get remote access of Windows 11 operating system into your Kali Linux. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, right now you can see my computer screen. This is my Windows 11 operating system. Now first of all, what I'm going to do to get the remote desktop of your Windows 11 computer to Kali Linux, you have to click on Start, search for Settings and open it. Then on the search option, search for remote desktop. Here you will get the remote desktop setting, click on it. Then turn on the remote desktop. Then click on confirm. Now after that, if you have multiple user account, you have to add the remote desktop user to access this computer. For this, click on remote desktop user. Then click on add. Then here you need to type the username of your user account. Here I'm going to type Mehdi Shakil. Then click on check names and the user will be added as a remote desktop user of this computer. Then click on OK. Then again OK. Now we are done with our remote desktop settings. Now click on this arrow icon and you have to remember this port number. By default the remote desktop port is 3389. Now what you need to do, you have to log out from your user account on your Windows computer. So guys, now we are going to take the remote desktop connection of that Windows computer to this laptop. For this we have an application on this Kali Linux operating system called XfreeRDP3. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on show apps, then search for XfreeRDP. Here you can see the application XfreeRDP. Open it. So this is a command line tool. So you have to type the command to get the remote desktop connection of our Windows 11 computer to this Kali Linux. So here you will get the example that how you can get the remote access using this XfreeRDP. You have to type XfreeRDP, then you have to specify the username, the password and the IP address. So let's use that XfreeRDP to get remote access. For that I'm going to clean up my terminal. Then I'm going to type here XfreeRDP3. Then you have to type this command. You have to specify -F for full screen. Then you have to specify the username, then the password, and then your IP address of your Windows computer with the port 3389. Then press enter and you will get the remote desktop connection of your Windows computer in your laptop. And now you can easily use your Windows 11 computer from your Kali Linux machine. And if you want to exit from this window, just swipe up on your laptop. Then from here you can get back to your terminal and close it. So guys, like this you can easily get remote desktop connection of any Windows 11 operating system into Kali Linux. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.